folks, what's up? It's the KDK collector here, and today I'd like to show you a really rare and interesting fan that I've got in my collection. This is a Mistral high velocity Gyro-Aire type GA16-70 box fan, and basically fans like these are becoming really rare nowadays. There aren't many of these fans left due to one notorious reason, because these fans are infamous fire hazards. They can literally kill you. And this is due to a fatal design flaw with the speed control mechanism, and the plastic that's used on the fan's body is not flame retardant. That's why it catches fire easily when the switch overheats. But despite that flaw, it's still a really beautiful fan in my opinion. The design itself is really handsome, and it's definitely one of the coolest looking things back in the day. Now, most Gyro-Aires from this generation are beige or cream, but this box fan is orange, which makes it stand out from most Gyro-Aires like this, because I haven't really seen any Gyro-Aires that are orange apart from this one and another one from a Hong Kong guy in Facebook, which I'll put the link down in the description. So here's an interesting backstory of this fan. I got it from one of my uncles many years ago, and he told me that this fan was my aunt's childhood fan, and therefore it has a lot of sentimental value to me. And all these years I've basically babied this fan. I never really took it out to use because you know how dangerous these fans are. But anyway, it's still a really solid fan, and it's definitely a lot better than most crap that we have today, and definitely a lot better than most Mistral fans we have today in Malaysia, because they were acquired by Khind, and obviously Khind is known for making high quality fans. So without further ado, let's fire this thing up. Alright, so that's the orange Gyro-Aire, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.